All right, so we're back here with Kevin and Stephen, and going on from the podcast, this is the sort of bonus section that you're getting inside of that. Now, what I wanted to ask Kevin was that if you could only do one thing in the next 30 days to guarantee an increase in profits, what would that one thing be?
I've learned a lot over the last 18 months, and where I've found the greatest value and where people are making the most money right now is launching their own challenge. I sat with the guy who put together and was the architect behind Clickfunnels One Funnel Away Challenge. And we walked through this, and he showed me numbers on quite a few of the clients that he's working with. And in fact, I introduced him to Jay Shetty and their team to help with their launches, because he's in Russell's inner circle. They call him the launch king. He is just truly the launch king. And so we sat, I went through everything that he offers, and we talked about his launches and the challenges and all the different things that play a role. So here's your core. This is why you see people like Steve Larson backing down a ways now from what is their core, because they're building their audience on the front end that leads into their core and that leads into their upsells. But he said the fastest way, and I've seen it, the fastest way to get people in and build a list on your launch is with a challenge. And so, we literally just put a challenge together in 3 days with our Chrome extension challenge. We're launching it on Friday. We could launch it today. It's ready to go. We're going to wait till Black Friday, which is a big launch day for a lot of folks in the digital space. Sure. And we're going to launch it on Friday. It's $97 to get into this deal. And the greatest thing about it is you do it once or twice, it's evergreen. You don't have to touch it anymore. And you can continue to launch challenge after challenge after challenge once a month, and it'll do its own thing. And it's just a revenue generating monster. So if I could only do one thing right now, and I knew I had to make cash from it and monetize it right away, create a challenge.
That's awesome. So obviously, unless you know what the URL is right now, I'm going to make sure that I get that from you, and I'm going to put it below this video anyway, so that people can go ahead and get stuck into that, because I think Chrome extensions is still a wide open market.
It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. And so many people have so many great ideas.
Oh yeah.
And they just don't know where to start, and ways to build tools for their people that they're coaching and all sorts of things.
Oh yeah. Like I say, just like helping out with what you're doing or daily tasks. But I think there's
absolutely
so many things you could just look at something, or you could be doing something with a software or Facebook or Instagram or any of those platforms. You think, I wish it did this, or I wish it did that.
You can build an API tool that will integrate this with that.
Yeah,
through a Chrome extension.
That's a great thing. And
you can sell those tools.
And the coolest part is you don't need to know how to do programming yourself.
You don't. There's so many people that can help you with it and build these tools. It's so great. The domain is oneextensionawaychallenge.com. So It's the oneextensionawaychallenge.com. And the beauty of it is, like you just said, they're affordable. These tools, these Chrome extensions to build are very affordable. How you monetize them, you can do it in a lot of different ways. We've got coaches who are building tools just for their audience. They're not going to sell them. It's just going to be a part of their coaching program. The guy that talked me into doing the challenge, he's the launch king. We're building him a tool, but his clients pay him $25,000 to $50,000 a year to coach them. So this little tool is just a little something to help them with their launch.
Just helping out.
Yeah, Kevin, absolutely.
That's awesome, man. Once again, super happy that you came on. Always have
I appreciate you. You're an awesome dude, man. Any day.
That's cool. We'll speak soon.
Thank you, sir. Take care.